I just quickly wanted to go over this electric skateboard. I pulled this out from the bottom of a rusted cabinet, and it was given to me for free by a club. It's a Meepo board. I think it's a V1. As you can see by the rusted screws, this thing has seen better days. And also, these are totally mismatched screws, but they work. So down here we have the standard Meepo battery. There's a motor controller holder. We also have it with the the battery indicator. That is an aftermarket third-party motor controller I bought for $60 on eBay. This is a battery holder that I designed from scratch. That is V5. It currently has a sliding door that is held in by a screw, and yeah, it originally was supposed to utilize a magnet, but the magnet was prone to falling off. So we also have, yeah, it's held in by 4 screws. It is printed in half and is held together by JB Weld, because JB Weld is awesome. There are the, the front wheels. I have pretty hard trucks on these, mostly because I like to go fast. I don't like to do crazy tricks on them, and I don't like death wobble. And it's the same for the back. These things are super, like the wheels are just, I don't know if they're going to wear away or not, but I can tell you, just by looking at the screws, how rusted they are. I tried to take them off to replace the wheel sleeve, and I literally was not able to. The screws just fell apart. So, yeah, and as you can see, more just mismatched bolts. The hot glue on these are to stop the bolts from coming off after rattling, and honestly, it's worked pretty well. So, yeah, this is able to get me about 3 or 4 miles with the current setup, and I plan to make a new board for this. I'm pretty much just going to take all of this except V5 off, and yeah, I'm going to put it on a large plank of wood, this thing, which is, I mean, it's fairly large. Come on, get on the screen. And yeah, so I'm going to design a board out of this and just cut it out, and I'm going to have massive lipos on it. So yeah, I mean, it works for what it does. It works well, and this battery case is the first thing I've really designed that was absolutely massive in the way where I literally designed it from scratch. So I'm very proud of it. Alright, this is an old video camera that my dad has, so yeah. Well, I hope you liked the video. I don't know what I'm going to do with it.